Slow down. Take a breath. Something's bugging you, right? Oh, I see it. Laziness. It's curled up beside you, pairing. But listen. Come closer. Watch me. See how the pencil moves in my soft paws? Now you're in my word lines, shadows, quiet focus. Let me show you how to turn laziness into your best friend. Ready? 1. Turn laziness into smart rest, like a cat nap. We cats nap a lot, but with purpose. Use your lazy time to rest, not to avoid. Say, I relax for 15 minutes. Then I'll get started. Short rest, sharp action. That's the cat way. 2. Laziness is a little alarm bell. Don't fight it. Listen to it. Maybe you're tired or lost. Laziness is like a cat meowing at your feet. Ask it, what's wrong? Then fix it. 3. Shrink the task. Laziness hates big jobs. Make things tiny, so small it can't argue. Say, just 2 minutes. 1 paragraph. 1 page. Small steps equal easy prey. You'll keep going. 4. Make a deal with your laziness. Cats are good at deals. Tell it 1 hour of rest, then 1 small task. Respect it, but stay the boss. Laziness likes fair trades. 5. Use laziness to dream. Doing nothing? Not really. That's when ideas sneak in. Let your mind wander. Laziness brings imagination if you let it. The drawing's done. Be like a cat, calm, clever, and kind to your laziness. Don't fight it. Sit with it. Let it guide you.